Lesson 17, Session 2, page 382. We are working on adding and subtracting within the number 20 in word problems using any of the strategies that we have learned in the past. Jenny gets 15 prizes from the piñata. Ken gets 6 prizes from the piñata. How many fewer prizes does Ken get than Jenny? How many fewer? Fewer means less, right? So how many fewer did Ken get than Jenny? Well, we can do Jenny minus Ken equals how many fewer? Okay, and when we have a minus sign, we know that it is always whole minus the part equals the part. How many did Jenny have? Jenny had 15 prizes, right? So 15 minus, just like we had here, here's Jenny. Jenny was 15 minus the amount Ken got, 6, equals blank. 15 minus 6 equals blank. Whole minus a part equals a part. We can also draw our number bonds, right? A part plus a part equals the whole or the total. We know that 15 is the whole, 6 is part of that. Okay? So what they did a little differently than I did, but we know that when we have two parts, one part being 6, one part being blank, we could actually do it 15 minus blank equals 6. So moving that 6 part over here and that blank part right there. So swapping those, but our whole stays in the same position. So we can do it either way. Okay, let's label this blank minus whole minus a part equals a part. So here in this strategy, they started with Jenny. Jenny had 15 pieces of candy from the piñata. Okay, we know that Ken only got 6 pieces of candy from the piñata. Okay, they started at 15. Well, let's remind ourselves our team numbers. Okay, our team numbers are made of one group of 10 and at least one 1, all the way up to 110 and 9 ones. So 11 equals 10 plus 1. 12 equals 10 plus 2. 13 equals 10 plus 3. 14 equals 10 plus 4. 15 equals 10 plus 5. 16 equals 10 plus 6. 17 equals 10 plus 7. 18 equals 10 plus 8. 19 equals 10 plus 9. So writing our numbers in expanded form and understanding our team numbers can really help us as well. Also understanding how to make 10, right? 0 plus 10 equals 10. 1 plus 9 equals 10. 2 plus 8 equals 10. 3 plus 7 equals 10. 4 plus 6 equals 10. 5 plus 5 equals 10. 6 plus 4 equals 10. 7 plus 3 equals 10. 8 plus 2 equals 10. 9 plus 1 equals 10. And 10 plus 0 equals 10. So here, what they did, Jenny had 15 prizes from the piñata. Ken had 6 prizes from the piñata. How many fewer prizes did Ken have than Jenny? So they started with 15. Let's look over here at 15. 15 is made of 10 plus 5, right? So they went, how many fewer did you need to get to 10? So they jumped back 5, right? And then 15 take away 5 equals 10. But they didn't finish. They knew that Ken had only 6 candies. So then they jumped from 10 to 6. So here is 10 and 6. If you have 10 candies, you take away 6 candies, you end up with 4 candies. So that's 4 jumps. Then you add those together, and that makes 9. Okay, so 10 take away 4 equals 6. 15 take away 9, because they added those 2 jumps of 5 jumps and 4 jumps together to get 9. Ken gets 9 fewer pieces of candy. We could also take 15. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 new lines. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. And circle 6. 6 is how many Ken had, and that was a part. The total was how many Jenny had, 15, because we are seeing how many how many more Jenny had, or how many fewer Ken had. Jenny has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 more. Jenny had 9 more candies than Ken.